mamipita na!
Tara, mamipita na! Tara, mamipita na!
Nan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan, a fur in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog,
Today is our wash day.
tayo maglalaba ngayon.
I heard na meron pinakamura at the same time mabilis na way para paglaba.
Alright, so if you want to know more about this business, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so yon, this is Tara Mamipita na Laundromat. It's a Kapampangan term or a Kapampangan phrase which means do the laundry. So initially, ang setup po dito is a DIY do-it-yourself laundry shop. Right now, yung self-service is not available. So what you do is you go here, you bring your clothes, your dirty clothes, and then sila na po yung bahala dun sa mga paglalaba, pagda-dry, and let's talk about the prices.
So for the prices naman, per 8 kilo na load, so it's only 50 pesos.
Yes.
So 50 pesos for the wash and 50 pesos for the drying.
Okay.
And additional 15 pesos para itupin na rin nila yung mga damit nyo.
Yeah, so when you go here guys, you can either bring your own detergent, your fabric conditioner, or you can use yung mga available na detergent and fabric conditioner na dito. So all in all, for 8 kilogram load, approximately 173 pesos all in all.
All in all na yan. At the same time, siguro still took around 1.5 to 2 hours na process nila dito.
Alright, Mark, alam mo ba, a little bit of trivia, that ang paglalaba in our early days is actually an social activity.
Yes. So kung matatandaan nyo yung mga nanay natin, so magyayaan yan for laundry na sabay-sabay sila.
Actually, so in the early days, ginagawa yung paglalaba sa
Ilog,
sa mga ilog,
batis,
ganyan. And
yeah.
kaya nga, tara, mamipita na. It's actually an activity encouraging yung mga fellow labandera noon at
Yes.
saka labandero na maglalaba na. So in that early days, guys, doon nangyayari yung kwentuhan, doon lumalabas yung mga chismis.
Yes, yung mga balita,
Balita.
sa mga baryo-baryo. And at the same time, dun din sila nangungumustahan.
Yun. So actually, ang original concept ng Tara Mamipita na is going back to that tradition.
Yes.
Na-establish ang business na to 2018 before the pandemic. Yun ang pinaka-goal nila is to get that tradition back pagdating mo dito. So you can have your kumare, kwentuhan. Ngayon, kagandahan dito, so it's a one-stop shop habang naghihintay ka sa labahan mo. So you can have your bills paid sa express pay. Or kung gutom ka naman, mayroon tayong Papa John's Pizza.
Yeah. So dito sa Tara Mamipita na, so you can do anything from laundry, sa bills payment, and the same time sa pagkain din.
Additional information guys, so yung mga machines nila dito, they use yung tumble dry at saka yung tumble wash. Instead of yung traditional washing machine natin na spin dry or spin wash, but this one, yan, so the entire clothes is actually has contact dun sa dryer and at the same time dun sa washing machine. They ensure na hygienic po yung procedure nila dito, at the same time health safety, because yung isang load po dito is entirely dedicated dun sa mga damit mo, so hindi siya shared with the other clothes. Interesting information, so yung ginagamit nila dito ng dryer is LPG based. So if you notice kanina, meron tayong parang nagbubugas siya ng init. That means gusto mong double sure protection yung mga damit mo in terms of virus or something like that. Dito guys, after the detergent, meron pa tayong heat which is around 60 degrees Celsius. So talagang mamamatay na yung virus doon. Ang ganda dito guys, meron silang Tara Mamipi Suki card. So for every load na papaservice mo dito, you get one stamp. And then on your 11th load, magiging libre yung wash and dry natin. Alright, so guys, problema ba sa inyo yung paglalaba?
Yes. So dito sa Tara Mami Pitana, so dito napaka-convenience.
And ang dami talagang benefit ng convenience
Yes.
na yon. So start tayo sa kung wala kang time maglaba because you have your business and your family. So dito guys, they are open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Napakalawak po ng operational hours nila. Dalhin nyo lang yung labada nyo dito.
Yes. So number 2 is yung pag-save natin. So di mo na kailangan gumastos ng kuryente and tubig sa bahay. So dito, pwede ka na lang magpalaba. So as low as 173 pesos all in na,
Yes.
pwede ka nang makatipid.
Exactly. So guys, again, kung problema sa inyo yung paglalaba, make sure to check out Tara Mami Pitana. So this is located sa Lagundi, Mexico, Pampanga.
Yes.
And they also have a branch in Guagua. So we're just gonna leave the information below dun sa information section natin. And yeah, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and syempre, sa mga gusto maglaba o magpalaba,
Mami Pitana.
Tara Mami Pitana.
Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga, guys. Until our next video, we hope to see you there.
Peace out.